Autonut here. Today I'm going to do a quick video on a proper cold start. It's negative 17 degrees here outside of Chicago. I live about 15 miles outside of the city west, and I park outside actually because my GTO and my Jeep I keep inside. So basically we're going to do a quick start on my work truck, which is the BMW X5. It's just a 3-liter 35i. And let's see what the effects of negative 17-degree weather has on starting a vehicle. So a few funky noises, but nothing too strange. It turned over fairly slow, not nearly as slow as I thought it would. As you can see, let me get the screen there, negative 17, which is pretty funny. That's as accurate as the weather forecast was saying. So let's pop the hood real quick, see if there's any weird sounds or anything like that. It's about, might be a little more noisy. But that's direction is pretty loud on this cold. So that's about it. So that's what it's like to start a vehicle in negative temperatures. Not as exciting as I thought it was going to be. But anyway, hope you enjoyed.